and welcome. My name is Meredith and I am an educator at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. Today, in our series of videos all about play-based learning, we're talking about Tinker Time. Tinker Time is a program that we developed at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire where little ones can explore and investigate 4 different activity stations that rotate around a theme. Tinker Time is an easy way to set up some play-based learning at home for your children to explore. Like I said, Tinker Time activities revolve around 4 stations that each have a different theme. This helps put a little bit of structure into what you're putting out for your children to play with, instead of just picking things from around the house and seeing what they do. These stations have lots of possibilities. The themes are sorting, building brilliance, sensory or texture play, and cause and effect exploration. I love tinkering. What I love about it is that it's open-ended and no fail. This means that children with different learning styles, who are different ages or have different interests, can each find something interesting to play with and learn from. Building brilliance. Building, or construction play, helps your children develop all kinds of skills. Problem solving, fine motor, cooperation with others, and focus, just to name a few. You can try building with cups, adding some plates to those cups to build towers or structures, raiding your recycling bin, build bridges or houses, and a fun thing to do is add manipulatives or small toys and see where that takes you. Exploring textures and other sensory exploration teaches children about science and analyzing what they see and feel. You can help this along by asking some questions. Help them predict. What do you think that will feel like? Why do you think this feels different than that? Sensory play is also an excellent time to introduce some new vocabulary. Here are some easy sensory activities to try at home. Sink or float. Put out a variety of items in a shallow bin of water and guess which ones will sink, which ones will float. Then test it out. Cars and salt. Get a cookie sheet, put some salt on it, and drive the cars around the salty roads. Get messy. Put shaving cream on a cookie sheet and dive in. Or something a little less messy. Put a bunch of cotton balls in one bowl and use a big spoon to transfer them to another bowl. Almost any activity you do with your child can be considered a cause and effect activity, like sink or float that I mentioned earlier. Cause and effect teaches children early critical thinking and math skills, along with a variety of other skills. Start by asking your child some questions. If we put the car on the ramp, what will happen next? Cause and effect helps teach children critical thinking and how to understand the world around them. Here are some easy cause and effect activities to try at home. Cars and ramps. Change the height of ramps using books. Try adding different textures to the ramp, like sandpaper or bubble wrap. Get messy again. Cover toys with dirt or something else that will look dirty and use a bin to wash them clean again. Another one to try is testing if things are magnetic or not. Get a variety of materials, a magnet from the refrigerator, and see which ones are magnetic and which ones are not. Chat with your child about what's similar about the ones that are magnetic and the ones that are not. Sorting. Sorting items boasts a wide range of benefits for children. Sorting helps teach early organization skills. No matter how your child decides to sort items, they're organizing in some way that makes sense to them. Sorting also helps with early math skills. Children line up and display items so they can count them, they can take some away or put them back, adding and subtracting, among lots of other benefits of sorting. Here are some simple sorting activities to try. Gather a whole bunch of different art supplies, markers, crayons, colored pencils, and sort them by color. Then ask, how else could we sort these items? Gather some toys, sort them big and small. Again, how else could you sort them? Playing cards are a really easy way to try some sorting at home. Sort them by color, number, or suit. I hope you got some ideas from this video and have some time to set up Tinker Time at home. Don't feel like you have to set up all 4 activity stations to have a successful Tinker Time. Just use them for ideas. I hope it challenges you to look around your house and find things you wouldn't normally play with and see where that play takes you. Have fun!